Assalamu alaikum and good morning to you all. Class 2, I hope you all are fine by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Welcome back to online classes. Today we are going to start a new unit, that is unit number 10, capacity. Do you know what is capacity? Capacity means how much liquid a container can hold. What is capacity? Capacity means how much a liquid a container can hold. Liquids are measured in liters and liter is denoted by small l. The liter is a standard unit to measure capacity. Look at these containers. Both the containers have capacity to hold 1 liter of liquid. Okay, now let's see some of the different objects with different capacity. What is this? It's a milk pack. Next one is cooking oil. Next, orange juice. Strawberry shake. And the last one is Coke. Class 2, can you tell me the capacity of each object? The capacity of milk pack is? Yes, its capacity is 1 liter. And the capacity of canola oil is 5 liters. Orange juice 3 liters. Strawberry shake 2 liters and the capacity of Coke is 500 milliliters. Let's move on to the exercise. Circle the objects that hold less than 1 liter. Can you guess what objects can hold less than 1 liter? It's very simple. The smaller objects can hold less than 1 liter. So, let's see what are the smaller objects that can hold less than 1 liter. Yes, ink pot, orange juice, cup of tea, injection, ice cream, these are the objects that can hold less than 1 liter of liquid. To measure the capacity of small containers, we use a smaller unit that is called milliliters. And 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliters. Look at this container. It is about 1000 milliliters. It means 1 liter. Okay, look at these containers. Container A, container B and container C. Can you tell how much container A can hold? Yes, container A can hold 250 milliliter of liquid. And container B can hold 500 milliliter of a liquid. And container C can hold 750 milliliters of liquid. Okay, let's start the exercise. Work it out. Measure and write how much liquid each jug holds. Look at the first jug and tell me what is the capacity of this jug. Its capacity is 1000 milliliters, but in this container there is 400 milliliter of liquid. Next one. It's between 600 and 800, so it's 700 milliliter. The next one is 350 milliliters. Next one, yes, 500 milliliters. Next, 1.5 liters, it means 1.5 liter. Next is 4 liters, 15 milliliters, and the last one is 95 milliliters. Okay, class 2, now its homework is to do page 126 and 129 in book. Thank you.